Hello guys, welcome to our podcast with me, Dapa Fatur Rahman.
Me, Kemal Muhammad.
Today we will talking about scholarship and overseas campus, which is basically campus that's outside Indonesia. So Kemal, what do you think about overseas or what do you think about studying outside Indonesia?
I think studying outside of Indonesia is important.
Important,
Yes.
that's it's very important. Yeah, what can I say? It's very important, guys, because as you know, we need studying and we need campus. We need get we need to get our name high. To get it, we have to study. So, but we need to find some university or school that is very good, and it's very matched with us. So it's typical in Indonesia, like the campus are very different rather than in outside of Indonesia. What do you think, Kemal? The campus that you already visit in backpacker?
And there is so many campus that we already visited in this backpacker. So first is campus in India. I think India is more focusing on
One
IT.
on IT, okay.
Because Indian is famous because of their IT.
Oh yeah.
Yes. I think their campus is focusing on IT. And in India, there is also a Muslim university in Aligarh called Aligarh Muslim University. It's also a good university in India. And the second university that we already visited in this backpacker is university in Pakistan. I forgot what the name. I think.
I forgot the name.
Yeah,
But let's we talk about the India first.
Yes. Okay.
We will talking about Pakistan in a further minutes. You say that Aligarh Muslim University is campus in India, right?
Yes.
Which is an Aligarh is Muslim cities, because
Yes.
in Muslim in India is a minorities. Uh, do you think student student or people from Indonesia who wants to study in India, do you recommend it they go to Aligarh Muslim University?
Highly recommend.
Highly recommend.
Because most of Indonesian are Muslim, right?
Yeah.
So
I
it's
understand.
more easier to studying in a Muslim city.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know it's it's very important to us. If we want to study, we need to make ourselves is comfortable with the environment. Like if we are studying in some cities that the Muslim are minority, it can impact our lifestyle. It can impact
Yes.
our culture. It can impact our environment because the Muslim are minorities. Yeah, just like in India, the majority are Hindu and the Muslim are minorities. So I think if you want to go to study in India, especially you are Muslim, you need to study in cities that the Muslim are the majorities, such as Aligarh Muslim University, which is located in Aligarh city. Is right, Kemal?
Yes, very
Yeah, it's very right.
very right.
What do you think? If we are talking about India, do you think India is the best campus if we want to continue our studies to master degrees?
So if you want to study in IT, India is one of the most
Yeah.
campus that I recommend. And a student from there, from Aligarh Muslim University, told me that Indian campus is like a stepping stone
Yeah.
if you want
Stepping
to
stone.
continue your study in Europe.
Yeah. I heard that. I heard about that. Is if you want to study in a campus that is very high, like Oxford or Cambridge, for your master degrees, India is like your stepping rocks. Like you can jump into into higher universities because you don't need any recommendation from other teacher because the campus in India are guaranteed. So if you are entering campus in India and you want to continue your study or to higher degrees, yeah, you can go without hesitate, or you can go without afraid of you get rejection because you are from a campus in your bachelor degrees that is very guaranteed that you can enter the higher university in master degrees. Yeah. Okay, so we already talking down about the the scholarship. I think the scholarship in India, there is a lot of scholarship.
Yes.
I forgot the scholarship, but there is a bunch of scholarship that you can get for 100%, 100% people, 1700%, 100%. It's up to you. You want to apply in where, but the main point, if you want to study in India, it's very cheap. It's very cheap. It's very cheap, right?
Yes,
It's very cheap. Yeah. So you don't need to think about the price. You don't need to think about the life because in India it's very cheap to live in there. Yeah. You maybe if you are doing some frugal living or you doing the you spend your money so much, like it's not gonna be like you spend much money in there. It's like it's because in there is very cheap in our currency, like. Okay, so we're already talking about the price, we're talking about the scholarship. Now, as we know, in India, okay, as we know, in India, the scholars uh, the the difficulty of learn in India is very hard, right?
Yes.
Because mostly you need to write the material of the lecture lesson.
Yes.
Yeah. What do you think about it?
I think because in India we know that English in India is also a very popular language, right?
Yes, very
Most of
popular
Indian
language.
most of Indian use an English language to
Yeah.
communicate, but sometimes their teacher still using their language.
Yeah.
Or sometimes, so as a foreigner student, I think maybe we need to learn their language a
Yeah,
bit
yes.
less, because sometimes they use their language to teach us.
Yeah, I understand about it. Yeah, it's very interesting if you are talking about how they are studying there, because yeah, as we know, India is a very popular country that so many people using English and Hindi, but yeah, mostly the teacher are using their own language, their mother language. Yeah, we cannot we cannot say that the teacher are forbidden rules because yeah, it's a culture, so you need to learn about Hindi language. I think to medium level is very recommended because Hindi language is it's it's like it's very hard to learn. Yeah, it's very hard to learn because the vocabularies and the if you are learning English and the Hindi language is very different. So you need to like learn from the very basics. It will take a much longer time. Okay. Okay. We done talking about India things. I think we have to move to the next country. Oh, we will talking about the two campus in two countries. First Pakistan and second is Arab. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So mostly in Pakistan, I'm forgotten the name of
University.
the university, but mostly what I know in Pakistan, if you want to learn about the university and if you want to learn about the material, it same like you learn in India.
India.
Yeah, the price are cheap. There is a lot of scholarship from 100 discount 75 until 50 until 25, so it's a lot of scholarship in there.
Yes.
But if you want to take an IT campus, I recommended you to take in India. But if you are a Muslim and you want to learn overseas and in Muslim countries, yeah, maybe Pakistan is a better choice for you. But what I'm saying, Pakistan is very, very. If I live in Pakistan and you want to take the religion, the Islamic religion,
Yes.
I think Pakistan is very good for you.
Very
But
good.
if you want to take an IT, it's not a best choose. It's second or third. It's recommended. So what do you think about campus in Pakistan?
I think Pakistan is like an Indian. I think the difference is only the religion and
Yeah.
the environment is.
Yeah.
I think it's almost same.
Yeah,
But I
the
think
people are same, right?
the
The
people
people
are
are same. The people are same. The culture are same. What they eat are same.
Same.
But what make different is the
The
religion.
religion, yes.
Yeah. Like the Pakistan is the Islamic,
Islamic
the Islam side, and the India is the Hindu
Hindu
side. So the people are same. It's still Baijan people.
Baijan people.
Yeah, Baijan people and Indian people. Yeah. No, but if you want to choose India or Pakistan, which one you want to choose? From the environment that you live and the people that you will meet. Yeah, which country will you choose?
I think I will choose India
India.
Yeah,
Why? Why India?
because they're famous because they're IT.
Yeah, yeah.
But I recommend to choose a campus in India, but in a Muslim city.
Yeah, in the
a
Muslim cities, right? Yeah, it's very good.
It's very.
Yeah, but campus in India is mostly hard to enter. Mostly hard to enter because you have a lot of competitor in there. You have a lot of enemies that's from an Indian from the same countries that you will uh, test with it, and they prepare from 2 years ago. So the chance that you will enter is like 1% until 10%. It's very hard to enter it.
It's only for smart people.
Yeah, it's only for a smart people, like literally very smart people. It's clever people.
Clever. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, we're already talking about in India and we're talking about Pakistan, which the next city is Saudi Arabia. And I think this is my favorite topic because there is my future campus, inshallah. Okay, if you're talking about Saudi Arabia and campus in Saudi Arabia, what passing your mind, like how is the campus in Saudi Arabia?
What's inside of my mind is campus in Saudi Arabia is free if we use the scholarship there, and then we will get like a money for a month.
Yeah.
Yes, we will
Yeah,
get
like we
money.
get a salary, right?
We get salary. Like Saudi Arabia pay us for studying there.
Yeah, like
Not, yeah,
yeah, it's free and
it's
they
free,
pay
and
us.
then pay us. We not pay for the campus. The campus pay for us.
Yeah. And that's why I want to choose Saudi Arabia, especially in Madinah, University Islam of Madinah, WIM. Why I choose it? Do you know? Do you choose Saudi Arabia as your overseas campus?
Yes, because it's our prophet city
Yeah,
in
our
Medina.
perfect city in Madinah.
Madinah.
Yeah, I'm too religious for that. Okay.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
my favorite campus.
It's my favorite
my
campus.
target.
It's my target, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay. So, what passing my mind if I'm thinking about University Islam of Madinah, it's like the campus are very good, but the weather are not. Yeah, Saudi Arabia is very hot. It's what I don't like from it. But what I like is I can get a lot of money from them, like 2,000 riyal, right?
Yes, 1,000 riyals.
Oh, 1,000 riyal, 1,000
It's around
for 4 million.
4 million.
4 million per
rupiah.
month.
4 million rupiah
4
per
million
month.
pounds per month. Okay, you will get 3 or 4 million per month, and you don't have to pay the campus. It's very free, and you get paid by the campus.
Yes.
Like you're studying, you're tired, you will not get tired again. The campus pay you to study.
Pay.
You get achievement, the campus pay you again.
The campus, yes, the campus really support us as
Yeah, the
student.
campus really support us as international students.
Student.
International
And
students.
it's very easy if you want to go to Nabawi Mosque.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's very
yes.
easy. That's what I like too. It's very easy.
Every day you can go there.
Yeah,
And
every
after
day.
Maghrib there is a bus
That-
in university
that
that
can
always go to
and yeah,
Nabawi.
it can bring you to the Nabawi Mosque. Yeah. But if you want to enter the University Islam of Madinah, yeah, the requirement are not too much, but there is a two type of faculty in it's general faculty and Islamic faculty. The hardest one is the Islamic faculties because people around the world want to enter the campus, and I think your competitor will be like 50,000 people,
Yes.
one per year. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but there will now be tests, right? There now
Yeah.
will be tests
No.
like a writing test
There
or
is no
listening
test.
It's
Yes.
it's from Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Allah Subhanahu wa Taala will choose you or will choose me or will choose Kemal to enter the university.
You just need to prepare
Yeah.
your document.
Your document
Document.
and send it
And send
and
it.
wait for 3 or 4 months if
for the
you are
result, yes.
pass. You will go in the next semester and you will studying for about 4 years, and after that you will graduate and get your bachelor degrees from free campus. You just need your mind, your body, and your power to studying every day. It's very good. It's very good campus, by the way. Yeah, but. What do you think about the if we are saying about the campus in Madinah there is a general faculty, right?
Yes.
The IT faculties.
IT.
Yeah, faculties. What do you think about the IT faculties in University Islam of Madinah? I think I know the best the most popular faculties are the Islamic law, Islamic faculties, or the Tawhid laws. But what do you think about the technologies faculties in there?
I think the general faculty like IT or economics, science, physics, it's still a new
Yeah.
faculties, right? So I think it's just a normal faculty, not the best, not the best in the world. But still, if you studying there, it's still free.
Mm.
All of the faculty is free, guys.
Yeah.
You still get money per month.
Yeah. But more money,
Yes,
right?
more
But
money. If you
money.
choose the general faculty, you will get
More
money.
Like so. Oh no. The Islamic faculty is around
800
800 and the
riyals.
general faculty is
It's
like
1,000.
1,000 riyals. It's very
Yes.
different.
It's very
200 riyals is okay. But what I like is if we enter the general faculties, especially the people are not too many to enter it, so
yes.
we don't have like too many competitors.
Yes.
Too many competitors, and there is like high uh, a high potential, that high percentage rate that we can enter the
Enter.
campus, right? Yeah.
Because most of the people around the world is choosing the Islamic faculty.
Yeah.
So it's more easier to you if you want to enter the general faculty.
Yes. And it's very and after you graduate from the University of Islam of Madinah, the IT it's highly demands in Saudi Arabia. You can speak Saudi Arabia and you can continue your journey to learn or work in Saudi Arabia because you already graduate from the Saudi Arabia and you have like a bunch of uh, a bunch of support or of a bunch of boost from the campus, right?
Yes, of course.
Okay, done with talking about Saudi Arabia, we're talking about Pakistan, we're talking about India. Let's we talk about, yeah, this is the last campus that we have visited. It's a Turkey campus.
Turkey.
Before we talking about Turkey campus, what do you think about Turkey's?
Turkey, I think, is Muslim country in Europe, guys.
Yeah, it's Muslim country in Europe. Yeah, it's Muslim countries. Yeah, if we are wondering like there is no Muslim countries in Europe, but there is. It's a Turkey.
Turkey.
It's a Turkey.
Turkey.
Because according to Wikipedia, 89% of population in Turkey are Muslim. The same like in Indonesia, the Muslim are majorities. Yeah, because if we're talking about the if we're talking about the what the
previous country.
no, if we're talking about the what's it?
History.
Yeah, if we're talking about the history, Turkey are basically from Ottoman Empire.
Yes.
And the Ottoman Empire is the Ottoman Empire backstory is uh, it's having a countries around Europe. So they take Spanish and change the name into Al Andalusia, and they change like I forgot the name, but they like they take countries from around Europe and
Yes.
change it to Islam countries.
Muslim country.
And that's why the Turkey Islamic is still in Turkey because from the Ottoman Empire. Okay, if we're talking about Turkish, we already visit campus in Turkey. What the name I forgot?
Istanbul Zaid
Istanbul
University.
Zaid University. What do you think about Istanbul Zaid University?
I think the campus is really good because the building is like an old building but still get like repair.
Yeah.
And I think the foreigner student in there is very active, like doing festival, countries festival, world festival, like that. And then also I think the environment and the friendship in there is very good.
It's very good if we are about what Kemal say, because yeah, in Turkey's there is two continents, the Europe side and the Asian side.
Yes.
and this Zaid University are in Europe side. So basically, the Europe style and the Europe culture are very, very like that. It's you can feel the Europe side in Turkish, like like the culture, what they eat, and like what they wear. Yeah, it's
Very European.
it's very European. But in Zaid University, it's like if you want to choose a campus that not many people in Indonesia studying there, you can choose Zaid University because there's just a couple Indonesian people in there. It's different than one campus that is a lot of Indonesian people in Turkey. Yeah, yeah. But don't study. If you want to choose, there's a lot of people of Indonesia and you will miss your home. Yeah, you can go to that campus, but I forgot the name. Okay, but okay, let's be talking about. Is there is scholarship in there? I forgot.
I think there is a scholarship in there, but I think that I heard in there is I don't heard about the scholarship because most of foreigner students just use a normal way to enter the campus. But in Turkey, the campus is cheap, guys. Is cheaper than the other countries that I've heard from the teacher in there. Yes.
Yeah. What I know is the there is a lot of scholarship in there, and you can choose which scholarship that you want to choose from 100% scholarship or 75% scholarship until the the low scholarship that the the campus offer is 25% of scholarship. Yeah, if you want to choose this campus that is there is a European side but still a Muslim countries, Turkeys are very best choose for you.
But I think if you want to enter the university in Turkey, I think first you must learn their language first.
Yeah.
Because most of people in there, they they're not speaking English, guys.
Yeah, because
Like 70% the
Yeah.
teacher is using Turkish language.
because Turkish people are very high nationality, so they don't want to learn about the the English language. So you need to learn about the Turkish language. I think your study year will be 5 years,
Yes.
not 4 years.
Yes, 5 years.
Yeah,
1 year for
1 year for studying the
For studying.
language and 4 years for studying your real study.
yes.
Okay, so yeah, we're already talking about India, to Pakistan, Arab, and
Turkey.
Turkish. Which campus is the best for you?
I think the best campus is still in Saudi Arabia,
Yeah.
in Medina.
And the second campus?
The second campus is, I think, in Turkish is also good because I like the style, the European style.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
it's
yeah.
still a Muslim country too.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm into.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, what Kemal says is, yeah, I'm into like Turkish. It's the best campus, right? It's good campus, but not best aspect like you choosing the Medina as your first campus.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we are already 29 minutes. The podcast will be 30 minutes. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, thank you, Kemal, for
Thank you,
saying
Tato.
about the studying in Turkey, in India, in Arab, in Pakistan. Word for me, the all campus are same. It's from you. You want to choose the best campus, the cheap campus, the religious campus, or the best campus for your life and your akhirat, your Jannah. MashaAllah.
Yes, Allah.
Oh, it's dark.
Up to you.
Yeah,
You want
it's
to choose what campus do you want to enter?
yeah.
Up to you guys.
Okay, maybe that's all, Kemal, for
Yeah.
our podcast
Maybe
today.
that's all.
Thank you,
Thank you.
you guys, for watching this podcast. My name is Dalfatur Rahman. See you
My
in
name
the
is
next
Erlangga.
podcast. Bye.